Hi guys, welcome back to GarageTech. In this video I'm going to show you these new Bevinsee, this is the A01 series easy fit LED headlight bulbs. So as you can see, the collar comes off, so it makes it really easy to fit these in place. If you check out my video on some of the other ones, you don't have the removing collar on them, so it can be quite tricky to actually get the clip in around where this collar is. So this makes it really easy. You just undo the clip, or the collar, sorry. You put this in place to where your normal headlight bulb would be. So if you see that bit of the headlight bulb, so you can see the collar exactly the same, so that fits in the same position. Then you can put your clip over, and then it's really simple. Then you just need to put your LED bulb in and then twist it to the right position. So I'm just going to show you this now, how to fit it. I've done one side already, just need to do the other side, and yeah, these are really easy to fit. Okay, so this is looking at the difference between the LED headlamp now compared to the normal halogen bulb, so you can really see the difference between the two. Nice crisp white light. So these particular ones, I said, are H7 fitment. These are the 600K easy fit. So this is the A01 H7. So look at that, really good. If you want to check the beam pattern against the two, hope you can see that in there. It's quite difficult on the camera. Checking the beam pattern between the two headlamps. In fact, it needs a little bit of adjustment down anyway, so I can adjust the headlamps, but you can see it's a nice clear line with a bit of a kick up on the end, so just a little bit of adjustment that needs doing, but it certainly shouldn't be causing any dazzling for any other drivers. So there you have it, guys. That is the Bevinsee A01 headlamps. This is on a Peugeot 208, and you can see the difference. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so just to show you the fitment on the driver's side here. So obviously this is where the lamp is down here. Just get a torch in here so you can see a bit better. So nice and simple. I'm just going to give this connector a little bit of a wiggle. Normally just go left and right rather than up and down. So that's off. That's what I need to connect the plug into. Obviously this plugs into that. So just tuck that out of the way, so it's out of the way. Nice and easy to remove the clip on here. Sorry, it's a bit blurred. It's trying to zoom in, but just need to press it and push it over to the side. Really simple. Then you can take the bulb out. Just make sure you recognise which side that little lug is, because that's what we need for the collar. So you can see my collar up there. So it needs to go in like that. So again, like that, nice and simple. If you can just see me, I'm just putting it in at the bottom. Put that into place, and then drop that down, and then put the clip over. Okay, so that's nice and tight in place. Let's just try and get you in there to have a look. And then all I need to do now is put the headlamp in. So again, the headlamp needs to go in, so it's at so the LEDs are facing a 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock position, so just like that. So easy way to see where the wire is there, so I know that's in line. So I just need to make sure that that wire is either at the top or the bottom. So put the headlamp into the hole. That twist so the wire's up towards the top. That way I know it's in the correct position. Now all I need to do is plug my wire in. What I will have to do is do something with that little electric box, so hopefully I can tuck that inside, but just bear with me, this is quite tricky with one hand. Now I just need to try and tuck this box somewhere inside, so hopefully I can just try and tuck that in So it's out of the way, like so. And then all I need to do then is put that cap back over the top. Okay, so everything's enclosed in there, out of the way. So with that then we can go ahead and turn the lights on and have a look. Beautiful. Nice crisp white 600k light. Check it, because these are LED, actually they don't get as hot as the normal bulbs, so that's good as well. Beautiful. Okay, well thanks guys. As always, if you like these videos, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Big up Bevinsee. Thanks.